Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm going to share with you guys some DIY gift ideas and of course my most favorite, I love giving gift baskets, so I'll also be doing some of those too. But let's get into it, guys. So this first DIY gift idea, I'm using Chalkature along with one of their surfaces. This one is not a Christmas one because I think sometimes when you give gifts, you don't necessarily want them to be Christmas only. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a good Christmas themed basket, but I feel like that you always just want to give a piece that they can use other than just the holiday season. So this one is a double-sided surface. This says family makes this house a home, and then I flipped it over and I used this transfer as well. Home, the story of who we are in a collection something. But this is what it looks like when it's done. But I thought it'd be fun to do some DIYs along with a gift basket. So if you don't just want to give something like this, which I think it is a beautiful piece and I think it would be great for a gift, you can throw it inside a gift basket. So that's what I'm doing throughout this video, is adding just some really fun DIYs along with some really cool and functional gifts. So this one, I went in with some Walmart towels, some crackers from Dollar Tree, a DoorDash gift card, and these are really gorgeous earrings. So you don't have to go all out, but I absolutely love giving a couple nice gifts into a inexpensive gift basket. So it doesn't have to be crazy, but most of the items I'm going to be using in gift baskets are from the Dollar Tree, so don't worry. This basket I've had for years. I just kind of use it for video purposes, and it was from Dollar General, super inexpensive. This one right here is going to be a fun little gingerbread gift basket. So the three items to start with were from Dollar Tree, and then you have to grab some really cute items from Walmart. They have the cutest gingerbreads. And then I just went ahead and added this Ana Luisa necklace to this as well. You can never go wrong with a special gift inside of a gift basket. You don't have to go big when it comes to a gift basket. I found this cute little gift box from Dollar General, these towels from Walmart, that pumpkin pie chapstick is from the Dollar Tree actually, which is crazy. Adding in some jewelry and a DoorDash gift card. And I think this makes a really cute gift for anybody. You guys, with this, today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They craft high quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices. And you don't have to break the bank shopping for loved ones. So I feel like everyone thinks during the holidays you have to spend a ton of money, and you really don't. Ana Luisa designs start at only $39. They have some really great pieces between like $50 and $80, which I think is a great budget for somebody that you love. And like I said, you don't want to just get them a piece of jewelry. You can throw it in with a fun little gift basket. The great thing about Ana Luisa is they are also carbon neutral from packaging to their products, and they also, like I said, have tarnish resistant and long lasting pieces. I have had some, I want to say for 3 years now. I've worked with them, I want to say maybe even 5 years. I want to say the first time I worked with Ana Luisa was about 5 years ago, and none of my jewelry is tarnished. It all looks so beautiful. I did want to show some close-ups of the jewelry that they did send me. These earrings, I didn't know if you've seen it in the beginning of the video along with this necklace, but I was actually wearing those. So they're in the bottom holes. I love earrings. I have a ton of them if you didn't know that. And this piece right here, the camera does not do justice on this. I could never get a beautiful picture of this no matter how many times I tried. These two pieces, I am actually going to be gifting them for Christmas. But if you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, I will leave the links in the description box below along with a coupon code for you guys. Okay, so on to this next DIY. I've had these cutting boards for a while now. They are from Dollar General, and I thought I would spice them up a little bit. These are silkscreen transfers from Dixie Belle. I have had these for years. I'd say years, but probably 2 years. I have done tens, probably at least 10 different DIYs with the same silkscreen transfers, and they are not as sticky as they used to be, but they are still going strong. So I thought I would do the Velvet Chalk Paste, that is by Chalk Couture for the first one, and this is the color Bright White by Chalk Couture, and I just love how these turn out. They are so high-end for gift giving. Now for the fun part, we are going to be pairing these with a gift basket. So this basket is just from Dollar Tree, and I found some really cool items. I love finding fun cookbooks from a Dollar Tree as well, because you know they're not actually from there. I'm sure they're in a different store to start with. So I love finding those, and name brand items, of course. Those little pie pans are from Walmart, and then those seasonings are from Dollar Tree, along with that biscuit mix and these roasted potatoes. I just kind of added some fun stuff that would go with the cookbook, and I think this is the cutest little gift basket. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. If you're wanting to opt out of the seasonings and the recipe book, I got you still. So I'm going to be using the other cutting board along with these oven mitts, and these towels are from Walmart. I grabbed them there because they are only 96 cents. These cute little bread pans. And if you do see throughout the video, I am reusing items because I just want to show you different ways you can create a gift basket on a budget. So the pie pans and the little bread pans, I think were about $6, but you get 2 in a set. So you could actually take the set apart and then actually gift them to others, more than one person, I suppose. And then gingerbread Pillsbury mix, of course, some snack mix, and then the little measuring cups are also from Walmart, and they were about, I want to say $5.68 or $5.98. And then the little spatula with the cookie cutter, that was about $3 from Walmart. Okay, so on to this fun little chalkboard Christmas tree. This is reversible. I only used a transfer on one side of this. This was actually from Goodwill, originally from Target, and I think it was only $1 a long time ago. So that is great about making some gifts as well. So it doesn't have to come, the surface does not have to come from a high-end store. You can always reuse thrifted items. This one was brand new, thankfully, but you can always thrift a gift. Like, there's nothing wrong with that, especially if you're super creative. Like, I would love a homemade gift. So on to this snowman. It was the same thing as the Christmas tree. I just flipped it over so that on the other side of the Christmas tree it has this wood color. And then I'm using this Merry and Bright transfer, and that is from Chalk Couture. So Dollar Tree does have some really cute baskets or bins, and then I'm just adding this filler. This is also from Dollar Tree, so you can add either one of these signs to any of these baskets. I decided to toss in the snowman and make this a fun little hot chocolate gift basket. My girls would love something like this, but we have a ton of this stuff already. Like, we have so much, and then but they still think this is so fun. They loved seeing these gift baskets being made, but everything came from Dollar Tree. So we have some hot chocolate spoons, hot chocolate bomb, hot chocolate. We got some fun little marshmallow candies and hot chocolate candy canes. And this is a super cute basket. Plus, you also made something from this, so it makes it just a little more special. All right, stepping out of Christmas signs for just a second. I had this tag sign. This was from Walmart. I picked this up so long ago and it kind of started getting all scratched up sitting in my closet. So I decided to give it a nice little coat of paint. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a silkscreen transfer. If you guys can't tell, I just think these make high quality items for anybody's home. So that's why I like to use them. I think it just really makes it look like you bought a gift from the store without actually making it. But that silkscreen transfer was from Michael's a year or two ago, and I reuse it multiple times. So going on to a fun gift basket, and like I said, 90% of these items were purchased at the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to break the bank. Like I just used a tag sign I have had. It's probably about $4, some 96-cent towels, and then you got $1.25 snacks. So you can really make a gift basket under $10 if you chose to. This pedestal sign is one of my favorites from Chocolatier. I just decided to add this blah 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 coffee. So anybody that you know that loves coffee will probably love this sign, especially for like if they have a coffee bar. I think it's super cute. This is what it looks like when it is done. And of course we are not finished because we have to add a fun little gift basket to this. So this is not actually a gift basket, it's more of a gift box, but how cute is this? This was from Dollar Tree recently. I love the barns on the side, so pretty. And all of these coffees are from Dollar Tree. So we have Alani, which is a name brand, and that latte coffee vanilla one is amazing. Throw in some cookies, throw the box on with a bow, you're good to go. This is the cutest idea for a coffee lover. And you know what? If DIY is not up your alley, I just have some good old-fashioned gift baskets for you. So these items all came from the Dollar Tree. So we have like cookie decorating kits, gingerbread houses, we have Pillsbury name brand items, and I think this is great, especially if you do have snow where you live in the winter. It's freezing outside. You can't go out. It is just too cold. This is a really fun idea for people who love to bake. At least it gives someone something to do during this cold season. We all have the, it's too cold, what do I do with myself? But this is a great gift basket. So they will have tons of fun baking and decorating gingerbread houses and cookies. I love that they have icing at Dollar Tree. It is $1.25, which if you go to Walmart lately, it is way more than $1.25. And like I said, I got you. I got everybody on the Christmas list this year. So if you're not into gift baskets, look what we have here. You can just make a really cute door sign. This wood piece came in a 3-pack from Hobby Lobby. I want to say it was $7.50 for 3 of these thick wood pieces. I think that was a great deal. I'm using Waverly chalk paint in the color white and in the color moss. I also decided to use a silkscreen transfer from Chocolatier, and I will leave all of those links in the description box below. So once I put this transfer in, I realized that I needed to add some more green because it just was not, there was just way too much white, and I was like, okay, that's a little weird. It looks funny. We're gonna add a little bit more moss. And then when you add more, you realize that the colors don't match up, so you have to keep painting and painting and painting, which is totally fine. It really didn't take a ton of time. I just thought it was kind of odd that the colors didn't match up, but I guess when you add a second coat to something, it does not look the same as the first time around. So totally get that. Once that was done, I just went through my floral stash, added some lamb's ear, some of these snowflakes, and Walmart had these cutest little gift tags, or they're not even, they're gift ornaments, I suppose. They were so cute, and they were just over $1. So I just added that tree to the center, and then I just laid everything out to see what it would look like. But these snowflakes, It came from Joann's years ago, and I've just been using it the past probably 3 years because it makes just really cute signs, and there you have it. Oh, what fun. Uh, but that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these gift ideas. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I will leave links with coupon codes in the description box below for you guys. But that is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.